just going to show you guys how to fix the screen for an Acer Aspire 1 D260-1270 computer screen. I dropped this about a week ago and this is what it looks like now. And so we're just going to put in a new screen that I got from laptopscreens.com. And if I can do this, anyone can do this, because I know nothing about computers. So the first thing you're going to do, let's turn on some light, is to take these little screw covers off. So it's usually best to use like an X-Acto knife or something, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use these tweezers. Oh, stuck them on too good. Try to keep everything in one spot. And then you just take a screwdriver that fits and go ahead and unscrew these bottom screws. There's two of them on the outside. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Then this little case just pops right off. And then if you bend this backwards, it should slip right off. Okay. Now here's the screen. You're going to want to undo these, be taped on. And then you're going to unscrew the 4 screws. I'm missing one because I can't find it, but so go ahead and unscrew these. Okay, and now the screen will come right off. Right behind here is a wire that goes from the camcorder, and that usually has some tape on it. I've already removed the screen before, so it's going to come off a little easier, but just make sure you take this tape off. Now, once you have it like this, you just take the tape off of this part here. So that far, and you're just going to slip this part out. Like that. Okay. Now, take your new screen, and you're going to put this right back in. And then once you have that in, you just go through all the steps again, and you'll be done. But you can watch as I do it, or go ahead and do it yourself. Once it snaps in, just put this tape back on. Make sure all these tapes are in the front of it. Put this back over the top. screen cover back on. It's best if you can bend it back a little bit, and it slips on a little easier. Just pop this back on. And then put these screws back in. And then you just put those covers back on if you want. Makes it look a little better. And let's see what we've. It works. So when you take off the first screen, you can check the barcode on the back, and that will show you what screen to order. But laptopscreens.com makes it really easy to find your screen. So that is how to fix your screen.